I like to start my day from the cup of good coffee, and if you're a coffee connoisseur who wants complete control over your cuppa, a bean-to-cup machine is the way to go. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you want to know about the Longi Magnifica Evo bean-to-cup coffee machine. A machine that blew me away compared to those capsule machines I used before. It's fully automatic and brews seriously tasty, full-bodied coffee. While it's pricey and takes up some counter space, this is a game changer for serious coffee enthusiasts who also want convenience. If you're a coffee snob like me, or you just want to elevate your coffee game, this is the video for you. So let's geek out on this thing. Fresh out of the box, we have our Magnifica Evo, all neatly packaged and ready to go. There's also a starter pack of descaling liquids, but I'll show you how to use that later on. For now, let's get rid of all that pesky packaging and get this bad boy ready for its first adventure. When you open the Magnifica, it's like stepping into the fancy coffee shop. The sleek combination of stainless steel and plastic gives it a professional vibe, but it's not your grandma's espresso maker. It's got that classic Italian aesthetic I really like. Now let's plug this thing in and get ready for that first delicious shot. Design-wise, the Magnifica Evo nails it. It's got that clean Italian styling, professional without feeling intimidating. The main panel is super intuitive. You've got big, easy to read icons for coffee trends, drink size and special options like Doppio. I didn't even crack open the manual for anything other than the first descaling cycle. The built-in grinder has a few levels. Most people, myself included, find the middle setting to be the sweet spot for a balance of flavor and smoothness, where you can always adjust depending on the beans you use. And speaking of beans, if you're wondering, dark roast tends to shine best in this machine, but honestly, it handles a wide range of flavors really well. The machine also accepts, which is a lifesaver if you want quick decaf shot without swapping out all your beans. Using it day to day, it's about as easy as you could ask for. Fill the tank, load the beans, pick your strength and size, and you're off. The machine will even warn you when it's low on water, beans, or when the drip tray or ground bin needs attention. No guesswork needed. Now for the big one, how's the coffee? In short, it's fantastic. Easily better than any pod machine I've used, and honestly better than a lot of cafes. Shots full with thick golden crema. The espresso is full-bodied and rich, with all those deep chocolatey and nutty notes that just don't show up in cheaper setups. You can tweak strength and volume to your liking, so whether you want a bold wake-up shot or a smoother long coffee, it's easy. And it's not just espresso. The steam wand lets you froth milk manually, giving you solid cappuccinos, lattes, or even flat whites if you want to flex your skills a little. It's not as automated as Milk Carafe's system, but honestly, the trade-off is worth it because frothing quality is better and easier to clean. Overall, compared to pods or even decent instant coffee, the jump in taste and freshness is massive. This is cafe quality coffee at home without paying $5 a cup. Of course, every bean-to-cup machine needs some maintenance, and the Magnifica Evo keeps it simple. Daily, it's just emptying the drip tray and ground bin, giving the steam wand a wipe if you used it, and refilling the tank when needed. The machine rinses itself automatically at startup and shutdown, so no extra work there. Every couple of months, depending on your water hardness, you'll need to descale it. Thankfully, the machine tells you exactly when it's time, and the whole process is mostly automated. Just follow the on-screen prompts, fill the tank with the descaler and water, and let the Evo do its thing. It takes about 45 minutes, and it's super straightforward. I do recommend cleaning the internal brew group about once a month too. It pops out easily, and quick rinse under the tap keeps everything running smoothly. If you want extra protection, you can install a water filter, but personally, I stick with regular descaling since I've got decent tap water. Maintenance overall as you could ask for in a serious coffee machine. So it's the Longi Magnifica Evo worth the investment. If you want quick coffee and don't care about flavor, stick with a pod machine. If you love coffee, a real coffee, and you want full control without getting into complicated world of manual espresso machines, the Magnifica Evo is absolutely worth it. You're getting excellent coffee quality, a that simple interface, and a machine that looks good on your counter, all while saving money in the long run compared to pods. So if you're serious about your coffee, but you also like convenience, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo absolutely deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.
Family Pop TV.